Okay, the next section is 1.7, and it's going to be talking about exponents. So if we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that is 3 to the 5th. What 3 to the 5th means is that you're multiplying 3 by itself 5 times. So 3 is a factor 5 times. This does not mean 3 to the 5th does not mean 3 times 5. When you see 3 to the 5th, you need to multiply 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. If we have, say, 11 to the 1, that just means that it's going to be that number, 11. If, however, we have, say, 3 raised to the 0, it's going to equal 1. Anytime you have anything raised to the 0, the answer is going to be 1. Anytime you have anything raised to the 1, it's just going to be that number. So using that information, you need to know the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. And what I like to do is draw a little caret or hat there, because it means that you do whatever's in parentheses first, then you do exponents, and then you do multiplication and division from left to right. You need to know that even if there's a division before multiplication, you do those in the same order. It doesn't mean that you do multiplications and then all the divisions. And then you do additions and subtractions at the same time from left to right. Okay, next is if you have to do the area of a square. We did a rectangle in the last one, but a square, it's only going to be one side, so say it's 3. The area here is just going to be the side squared, because they're only going to give you one side. So it's 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. And let's say this was inches. We can say inches squared, or we can write out square inches. Make sure you always put the unit, and that when you're doing area, it's either going to say it like this, or it's going to say square inches, or it could say square inches. So that's it for 1.7.